Using Photos as a screensaver on a Mac is a simple and effective way to personalize your computer and showcase your favorite images. To start, make sure you have a collection of photos you want to use as your screensaver. These can be stored in your iPhoto library, Photos app, or any other folder on your Mac. First, click on the Apple menu and select System Preferences. In the System Preferences window, click on Desktops and Screensaver. This will take you to a new window where you can choose your screensaver settings. Click on the Screensaver tab and then click on the Source drop-down menu. From the Source menu, you can choose from a variety of options, including Photos. Selecting Photos will allow you to choose from your iPhoto library, Photos app, or any other folder on your Mac. You can also choose to use a specific album or folder of photos. Once you have selected your photo source, you can adjust the screensaver settings to your liking. You can choose how long you want your Mac to wait before the screensaver starts. And you can also choose to show the screensaver when your Mac is idle or when you press a hotkey. You can also customize the screensaver by selecting the type of transition you want to use between photos. For example, you can choose to use a slideshow, a collage, or a kaleidoscope effect. You can also choose to show the photo captions and titles. And you can adjust the speed of the slideshow. To add more photos to your screensaver, simply drag and drop them into the folder you selected as your photo source. You can also use the Photos app to add more photos to your library and then select them as your screensaver. Using Photos as a screensaver on a Mac is a great way to add some personality to your computer and showcase your favorite memories. By following these simple steps, you can easily set up a beautiful and personalized screensaver that will make your Mac stand out.